Hi guys, good afternoon. This is Miss Mel. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. We are now on English 5 Quarter 3, Week 2. Text types, specifically enumeration and time order. In our previous lesson, you have learned to distinguish classification and explanation text type. Let's review. Let us read the text and identify its type. Weight loss. People looking to lose weight have few options: exercise, diet, weight loss pills, and surgery. Exercising involves going to the gym, working out at home, or joining some sort of class or sports team. Those who are dieting can talk to a doctor about a plan for them. Weight loss pills can be taken if proper precautions and directions are followed. Individuals who are severely overweight can talk to a doctor about having surgery to lose weight that they need. That's correct. This is an example of a classification text type because on this paragraph, the different options of people in losing their weight is identified. Each of them are described according to its differences and impact in losing one's weight. Day and night. As Earth rotates on its axis around the Sun, the section facing the Sun will be the daylight. The section facing away the Sun will be in darkness, experiencing night. One half of the Earth is always experiencing day, while the other half is experiencing night. That's correct. This is an example of an explanation text type because this paragraph explains how night and day occurs. It explains to the reader the cycle of day and night. Well done! Are you ready to go to another lesson today? Let's go! After going through this lesson, you are expected to distinguish text type according to its purpose and feature, enumeration and time order. What is an enumeration text type? It lists characters, classes, types, parts, ways, and group of things or subject. Transition or signal words used to show enumeration are the following: in many ways, such as first or one, second, and so on. Example: the Earth's surface is constantly changing through slow processes that we don't usually see. One is erosion. This has worn away rocks and mountains over millions of years, caused by air, water, and wind. Another change is caused by earthquakes that originate deep inside the planet. More sudden and violent than erosion, an earthquake results when strains between Earth's plates produce shock waves. And the third process is called lava. Escapes on the surface through gaps on the crust. What we experience is volcanic eruption. In this paragraph, the process of how is the surface of the earth has changed were listed or enumerated with a brief description. It also uses signal words. What is a time order text type? Process or how the text gives explanations or directions. Each sentence tells the next step in carrying out a process or in getting from one place to another. Transitional words may be used to show order of the steps include first, second, third, then, before, after, during, meanwhile. Example: how to purify cloudy water. Boiling is perhaps the safest way to purify the cloudy water. You will need a boiling pot, fire, salt, coffee filter or cloth, charcoal, and cotton. First, pre-filter the cloudy water with a coffee filter or folded cloth. Then, boil the filtered water. Add a small amount of salt to improve the taste of water as it is boiling. If you are above 2,000 feet altitude, boil for 3 minutes. Next, let the water cool. Meanwhile, make a cotton and charcoal filter by crushing the charcoal and putting it in the cotton as a trap. This will remove impurities and still some bad taste from the boiled water. Finally, filter the boiled water through the cotton trap. In this paragraph, the steps in purifying cloudy water is listed so that the reader can easily follow the procedure. Signal words are important to give a clue on what will be the next step. Learning Task 1. Read the text below and answer the following questions. Questions. What is the paragraph about? It is all about the Hertzsprung-Russell diagram. Number 2. What are the things enumerated to show the different type of stars? Answer. The things enumerated to show the different types of stars are sun, supergiant and small stars, or white dwarfs. Question number 3. What words or phrases signal the enumeration or listing? Answer. The words that signal the enumeration are first, second, eventually, third, and finally. Learning Task 1. Go back to the selection and complete the graphic organizer below. Let's check your answers. Learning Task 2. Read the text, then complete the organizer that follow. Let us check your answer. Learning Task 3. Read the text below and answer the following questions. Questions. What is the text about? Question 2. How many steps in the process are given? Question 3. What are those steps? Number 4. What are the words used to introduce the steps? What type of text is the example above? Learning Task 4. Read the text below. Write numbers to order sentences correctly. Let's check your work. Learning Task 5. Read the text and enumerate your answers. Enumerate the things that we need to do or prepare for the coming typhoon. Assessment. Read the following paragraphs, distinguish and write the type of each text. A for enumeration text type, and B for time order text type.